In a show of their continuing alliance, President Barack Obama and British Prime Minister David Cameron stood side by side at a joint news conference Friday following their White House meeting. The two leaders vowed to work together with allies to fight terrorist networks.
In the wake of the vicious attacks in Paris, as well as the news surfacing out of Belgium today, we continue to stand unequivocally, not only with our French friends and allies, but with also all of our partners who are dealing with this scourge.
I'm quite convinced we will come through it and we will overcome it, because in the end, the values that we hold to, of freedom, of democracy, of having open and tolerant societies, these are the strongest values there can be.
The two leaders also urged Congress against more sanctions on Iran over its nuclear program, saying such a move would upset diplomatic talks and increase the likelihood of a military conflict with Tehran.
It's the opinion of the United Kingdom that further sanctions or further threat of sanctions at this point won't actually help to bring the talks to a successful conclusion, and they could fracture the international unity that there's been, which has been so valuable in presenting a united front to Iran.
There is no good argument for us to try to undermine the negotiations until they've played themselves out. Now,
Obama says he told Democratic lawmakers he would veto a bill calling for more sanctions if it comes to his desk.